This is my mystery cup that I've got, and I don't know what any of these are for sure. I think that, let's see, I think these right here might be Sugar Rush Reds, but other than that, I don't know. I thought these might be like a normal jalapeno, but I'm not thinking so. I could be wrong, but, and then I've got something right there. Don't know for sure what that is, but either way, so I put 6 different seedlings in here. 4 of them have grown big enough to give me peppers. There's 2 like this right here. There you go, there you can see it. That right there has just kind of been stunted, obviously. And then I have another one right here that's been stunted. But I've got 4 plants that are putting off peppers. So I've got these ones here that I showed you a second ago. That's one plant. I've got this one here that's not quite putting off pods yet. I think this one might be, I don't know, maybe a super hot or something. But there's flowers all over the place, and I would imagine it's going to try to produce soon. No pods on that one yet. But if you come over here, I've got that just loaded up with peppers that are ripening up right now. So that's pretty cool. And then this one is the one that I think might be Sugar Rush Red. And that one was the first one to start producing. So what I'm going to do is I am going to set this down and harvest a bunch of these off of here, because some of these have been ripe for way too long. I'm going to go ahead and harvest these off, give a couple of them a taste. Like I said, I can't tell you what they are exactly, but I'm going to see what I got going on. And then we're having a barbecue later. Hopefully one of these will be good on a burger. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and set this down and show you guys what I got. Okay, let's see if I can get close enough to show you. So I've got 3 different kinds here. I'll give you a better look at them. So this is the one that I think is a Sugar Rush Red. I'm assuming. If somebody knows better than me, let me know. Like I said, it was kind of a mystery pile of seedlings that I put in there. This one wasn't quite as ripe. Picked it anyways. I've got this one here. Don't really know what that is. I'm not doing any Thai varieties, so I don't think this is a Thai. Maybe an ahi something. It's not an ahi lemon. I know that much. I think that much. So I don't think it's an ahi lemon. If somebody knows what that is, that'd be cool. Let me know. And then these ones here. I don't think that's a jalapeno. Let's find out. I'm going to go ahead and give some of these a taste. I'm going to go wash these things off, and then I'm going to come back and at least take a bite out of each kind. So I've got my peppers washed. I'm going to go ahead and give them a try. So let's pick one of each kind here. I'm going to go ahead and try that one first. I'm not eating the whole thing. I have not eaten much today. I don't think they're going to be that hot, but we'll find out. I need to find out what that was. That was really sweet. Like, really sweet. Really small amount of heat, but not much. Wow. That was like almost fruity, like really fruity. Huh. I'm going to be looking at my other plants, seeing if I get anything that looks like this. I think this is a Sugar Rush, so I feel like this is going to be less hot than this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that one first. I'm just taking a bite. So that one has no heat at all, but it has a lot of flavor. Not quite as citrusy as whatever that was that I just had, but it's got a lot of flavor. Really juicy. You bite into it and it's like a gusher. That's a good one. I think that's a sugar rush. Whatever it was really good. Alright. Whatever this is, I'm going to find out. This one looks a little bit hotter than the other ones. That was surprising. So, out of all three of these, I've got that little yellow one, that one, and the one that I just ate. Out of all three, this little guy was the hottest. Both of these, I really don't think there's that much difference between the two as far as flavor goes. They're both really sweet, really juicy, but I can't tell you guys what they are anyways because I don't know. So that's my mystery plant. If these little guys ever grow any pods, I'll show you guys and I'll eat them. Same with that one. And then this other one that's not producing yet, I think that's going to be super hot. So we'll find out. But I'm going to keep this growing as long as it will stay alive. But right now, if you check out the roots, it is just really root bound. But it's been fun. I'm kind of curious to see how many peppers I can grow in a little thing like this. This is just getting weighted down with all the peppers that are on it. All the ones that aren't ripe yet. Well, thank you. You guys know me, I like to experiment and mess around with the peppers, play mad scientist a little bit. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe and watch some of my other videos. They'll be popping up somewhere. And my next videos should be moving stuff outside. We have rain for the next 7 days straight. But other than that, it should be good. Weather's starting to warm up a little bit. I've got some stuff outside hardening off right now. They should be alright. I'll do a whole plant update next week. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.